Welcome back to my channel Future Generation in Mathematics. Today my topic is series and sequence. Series and sequence, in that my topic is sequence. What is a sequence? We'll study now. Here sequence is a function s z plus 2r is called a sequence of real number. We are taking one function. Any function we are taking, that name is s from z plus to r. Here z plus is nothing but natural number to real number. A function from natural number to real number or positive integer to real number is nothing but sequence of real number. First of all, what is a sequence? Sequence is we are arranging in one order. We are arranging in one order. That is nothing but sequence. Here I will tell example. Before going that, how we will denote sequence? Sequence will denote it with here s of n. Like that we can denote, or s of n. Like that also we can denote it. We can give braces also. Okay, we can denote it with Sn and S of n. Here I will tell some examples you can understand. Okay. Like this also we can denote it. Sn. So many ways we can denote it. We will see example. Then you can understand easily. Suppose Sn 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is also one sequence. Okay. And 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, like that. The two elements are there, no? They are separated by comma. Okay, in this sequence, we are separated by comma. Here see, it is one order, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, like that. This is also one sequence. Another sequence I will tell. Like this also we can denote, I told you, no? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, so on. It is also one sequence. Here Sn is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on is there, no? Here first element we'll call it as an S1. S1 is equal to 1. Second element is an S2 is equal to 2. Here third element is S3 is equal to 3. Fourth element S4 is equal to 4. Like that, every element will denote it with first element, second element, third element, like that in this sequence. In the second one also same, like that only. Here what is an S1 here? 1 by 2. Second one 1 by 4. Here third one 1 by 6. Fourth one 1 by 8. Like that we can denote it with S1, S2, like that sequence. We can denote it with S1, S2, S3, S4, like that. Here S of n also we can denote it with same. First element is denoted with S1. Second element will denote it with S2. S2 is nothing but second element. What is the second element here? 1 only. What is the third element? 2. What is the fourth element? 3. I think you have understood how to write the sequence. And also this third one is called, this third sequence will call it as an Fibonacci sequence. What will call it as a Fibonacci sequence. Here you can observe that what is a Fibonacci sequence means, if we add these two, what will get 1 plus 1? Here 2. And also when we will add this to 1 plus 2, 3. When we'll add these two, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Like that, this series is called, sequence is called Fibonacci sequence. Also, we can write this Fibonacci sequence S of n. We can write first element is a nothing but S1 plus S2. What will get? Third element, no? S3. We'll get third element. See, first element, second element. When we add this one, we'll get third element. Like that only we'll get. I'll tell you. Clarity. Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence, how it will be there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Like that you'll get. Here, first one is called S1. Here, second one S2, S3, S4. Here S3. Here S5. Here this one S6. Like that you will get, no? First element is an S1. When we will get S3, S3 is equal to when we add S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2 means 1 plus 1. What you get? 2. 2 is nothing but S3. Here next same S4. How you will get S4? When we added S3 plus S2 or S2 plus, we can write like this also, S2 plus S3. What will get? 1 plus 2. What will get? 3. That only. S4, that only, no? See. Here S5. What will get? S3 plus S4. What is an S3? S3 what is an 2? 2 plus S4 3. What will get? 5. S5 what is an 5. Like that only. What will get? Sn. Like that only. What will get? Sn. Sn what will get here? Sn minus 2 plus Sn minus 1. Like this also we can write. Okay. Sn is equal to Sn minus 2 plus Sn minus 1. You can take n is equal to, suppose 5 we take. What will get? S5. S5 minus 2 plus S5 minus 1. S3 plus S4. What is in 3 and 4? S3 2 plus 3. We'll get 5. S5 is in 5. Like that you can write. So on. Here like that. Sn plus 2. What will get? Sn plus Sn plus 1. Like that you can write. This is called Fibonacci sequence. And another example of this sequence, Sn root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. This is also one type of sequence. Thank you.